Alright, this is part of the wheel assembly, and we're going to create this part. We're going to start out building a sketch that looks like this. So I'm going to go to File, New, and I'll make sure I'm in metric, standard millimeter IPT, and hit Create. I'm going to go here to Sketch, and I'm going to choose this plane. Hit Escape. Try that again. Okay, what I did, I copied the sketch earlier, and I'm going to bring it in here, and I'm going to work side by side. So what we're going to do is create this sketch. I'm just going to add a couple more dimensions on here. I'm going to make that 5. It should give me that. Okay, that. I'm going to do this one, just so you know what the dimensions are for these. Okay, go to, of course you're going to start out here on the origin and you're going to draw a line. I'm just going to come over to the side and just show you how to do that. I'm just going to draw a line straight across, and again you're going to start at the origin, draw a line of any length, and then what you want to do is kind of copy that basic shape. I'm just going up and over. Don't worry about dimensions right now. And when you get back over here, make sure you get that line, that dotted line that comes down and lines you up to this point, and you can see it right there. So I'm going to click here, I'm going to click there. Now I want to go here and put some dimensions on this, and I know from this line to here is 18. I'm going to put that on. And I'm going to go, just to bring that line back up, I'm going to go from the center. You probably won't have to do this, but I'm just going to zero that out. And I'm going to go dimension from here to there. Should be 37. I'm going to place that dimension. I'm going to come up here and try to get this one at 19. Okay. If it does you like that and you don't feel comfortable, just hit your back button and let's move to a different one until we start getting the shape we want. So I'm gonna load this one at 5 and hit enter. I'm going to load this one at 5, hit enter. Come up here, 3, enter. Hammer 37. I'm going to change this one to 25, enter, and I'm going to change this one to 19, enter, and let's see what this is over here. From here to here, 27. I'm going to come back, and the one I'm doing for you, I'm going to do 27. Type that in, hit enter, and now we have the basic shape that we're looking for. Okay, we got all of this. We got 25, we got our 18, we got our 5, we got pretty much everything here. So what I'm going to do, since we already have this, I'm going to erase this one. That was just to demonstrate what we were to do here. And what you want to do is finish sketch. Hit your home button here. Brings it back in. You want to come up here to revolve, and it should pick up your profile shape here. If it doesn't, you probably have a line that doesn't meet or connect in some corner somewhere here. Just double check that. But if you have all of this profile showing up, you want to come here and you want to find the axis of which is going to be this line, and then hit OK. And that gives you half of the shape. Now the easy part is next. We don't have to draw that again. We're going to mirror this part. So we're going to hit the mirror command and select anywhere there and make sure everything is selected on the part you just completed. Turn it around, come up to the mirror plane and click the back surface right here. Click it anywhere on that surface and hit OK. And that will give you the part for the wheel assembly that you need.